Hi everyone, I'm Yanzheng Liu from Group 25, and I'm here to talk about 4 typical methods to improve user data security. Nowadays we've got a lot of problems on data security and user privacy. For security issues of protocol, most IoT scenarios are looking to establish an environment that it allows device to connect everything and everyone. Well, however, due to the huge amount of connected devices and storage capacity, the efficient encryption, for example, like public key infrastructure, will not work reliably. And for encryption challenge, the wireless channel used by Internet of Things is an open channel, which is the fundamental reason for the eavesdropping and destruction of wireless signals during the transmission. Like the unique identity authentication system, many websites have the same login name and same password. The password structure is so simple, and the security level is low. And some users enable security functions such as identity verification, so the security of the personal data information is low, and hackers are relatively easy to use. All data in following list here show there are the real data breaches over these years. From the list, you can see that user data breaches has already occurred in all aspects of people's daily life, including social media, social network, telecommunication, etc. So we've got several proposals for those problems, like the solution for the protocol issues. Look at the figure. It's MQTT protocols. MQTT is an OASIS standard messaging protocol for IoT. And via this protocol, messages between machines are designed as lightweight code footprint, and it provides minimal network bandwidth, which is an ideal property for connecting remote devices in a wide variety of industries. And look at this figure. For this encryption, we concentrate on these 2 different algorithms to compare these differences. And the basic process of data encryption is to process the original file or data by an algorithm to make it unreadable. The receiver can read the message only by entering the corresponding key to show the original content. If entering the wrong key, the data cannot be shown, so that it is an effective way to protect data leakage. And applications that use hardware authentication and encryption typically use 2-factor authentication, which is a combination of password authentication and hardware authentication to fully authenticate the device user, where the hardware is treated as an item owned by the user. For example, USB screen and online banking transactions use this method. The last one, the data backup. Here I introduced the one thing called packet filtering. Is an effective way and can protect our network from attacks. This technique filters data and information before it is sent to the data center. It can use routers to monitor the filter incoming and outgoing IP packets on the network and refuse to send suspicious packets. We can assign an independent IP address to each home and hospital smart devices connected to Internet of Things, and set filtering rules for routers, like we allow certain IP address to communicate with the network, but unfamiliar IP address can't allow to communicate. Here are the conclusion. We read this paper aim to find the solution and the proposal for the personal data security of Internet of Things. So specifically, we proposed 4 different methods to apply them. And that's all. Thank you.